Hi there, students. Laminate. To laminate as a verb. Laminate as a noun as well. I think both countable and uncountable. Laminated as an adjective. And lamination as the noun of the process. Okay, so to laminate means to make something by sticking layers one on top of the other. So a laminate is a material that's made by sticking layers one on top of the other. So for example, you can buy plywood. Plywood is thin sheets of wood that have been stuck together one on top of the other, and this makes it much more resistant. Yeah, so you could buy laminate flooring, for example, or laminated glass. The windscreen in your car is made of laminated glass. You've got a sheet of glass, a sheet of plastic, and then another sheet of glass over it. So laminate, layers. Yeah, there are various laminae. One lamina, two laminae, AE. And your laminated glass windscreen, when it breaks, it doesn't shatter into lots of little bits. It just cracks all over. Yeah, and the fact that it's laminated means that it doesn't shatter. Okay, so laminated, describing a material as wood or plastic where several thin sheets or thin layers are stuck together to make it stronger. Okay, so laminate, to laminate. I think you can actually also use this verb to laminate to split in by split to split into various thin layers. So it's either to join, and it's most normally to join, but you could also split it. If you take a piece of slate and bang it on the edge, it will laminate into thin layers. That's much less common though. Okay, so a laminate, a laminated product. Yeah, to laminate, to cover something with a sheet of something in order to preserve it. So for example, your mobile phone, you buy a piece of annealed, heat-treated glass to stick over the screen. Yeah, you laminate the screen to make it stronger. You're putting another layer over the top. Okay, so to laminate, made by lamination, laminated, consisting of many thin layers. Yeah, particularly laminated wood. Yeah, okay, it's because it's been glued together. Various flat sheets have been put together. Okay, yeah, maybe you have an important document and you laminate it, you cover it in a protective plastic that sticks to it. Yeah, and it's laminated, it's covered in plastic. You've got a sheet of plastic either side which protects it or which preserves it. Okay, so that's the idea of lamination. Notice one lamina, A, two laminae, AE. You could probably say laminas as well, I'm sure it would work. Okay, so formality, to laminate. I guess I'm going to give it a 5 in formality, maybe 5.5. Use it anywhere. That's particularly common in building and carpentry and things like that. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, lamina, a thin sheet of material. Yeah, which itself probably comes from Proto-Indo-European sle, meaning broad or to broaden, to make wider. So you make, if you add the sheets or the layers onto something, it makes it wider. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Laminate, laminated, lamination.